We have a pretty extensive history here at Dr. Wax Orthodontics. We opened our practice a decade ago, and from then until now, a whole lot has changed. So going back to the beginning, I opened my practice here in Linden. It was our very first location right out of residency. And after a whole lot of soul searching and trying to figure out where I wanted to live, where I wanted to finally be able to treat patients, there was no decision or location that felt better than going back to my hometown, where I could serve the same community that I grew up in. And back then, when we first opened, I imagined my practice being a practice that you might expect in a small town, right? Very boutique, not a lot of patients, but really just treating people well and delivering an amazing customer service that went beyond the smiles that we created through orthodontics, but also expanded to how they felt at every appointment and how we left them feeling when they left and went on with their life that day. And so because of how we treated people and how that resonated with our patients, we expanded. And we were able to expand our Linden location and add another location in Highland, and then finally our third location in Flushing. So what I thought was going to be a small practice grew into something much larger and much more impactful than I could have ever imagined, both within the work we do in our offices for our patients, but also our involvement and our contribution and the way we can impact our community. So as an orthodontic specialist, we really specialize in assessing and coming up with comprehensive treatment plans to address the alignment of the teeth and the jaws. And we do that with a variety of different appliances, such as braces, Invisalign, and expanders. We're treating kids, we're treating adults, because an orthodontist is the specialist that you should be seeing to improve your alignment of your teeth and your jaws. So our practice at Dr. Wax Orthodontics offers some unique incentives and programs for our patients that you're not going to find most anywhere, such as our retainer guarantee program. So this program allows patients to finish treatment with a heightened sense of confidence in their brand new smile. We know as a profession that retainers are a critical part of your aftercare following orthodontic treatment to maintain the smile that you've achieved, right? We want to hold those teeth in that great position, and the way to do that is with retainers. So the retainer guarantee program allows our patients to replace retainers as they're lost or broken or, just wear over time without ever having to worry about it. Wearing your retainers after treatment is the single most important thing to keep your straight smile straight forever. If you don't wear your retainer nighttime for a lifetime, you can almost be certain that your teeth are going to shift. Some people shift just a little bit, others may shift a whole lot. So that's why we offer the retainer guarantee program, because those retainers are going to have to be replaced through time. And once we're your orthodontist for life. We're here to troubleshoot anything you need and help you every step of the way, whether you're in treatment, just out of treatment, or years and years down the road. We're here for you, and we hope you wear your retainer. One of the most common questions we get from patients and non-patients is your team really that friendly? Do you guys really have that much fun? And the answer is yes. What you see on social media is the same thing you see here. I mean, the energy is undeniable when you walk into our office. We have the music going, people are smiling, and our staff and our team are truly amazing. You can tell they like their jobs and what they do. There are 3 things that I wish everyone knew about orthodontics. 1, that your first evaluation should be done at age 7 and by an orthodontic specialist. Secondly, if there's a reason that's been holding you back from starting care that you want or even know that you need, my hope is that you tell us. Because in almost every scenario, when people share what's been getting in the way of them starting treatment that they need or want, we have the ability and various ways that we can overcome those reasons and help people achieve their ultimate smile goals. And thirdly, you're not too old for orthodontics. Every patient we have over, let's say, the age of 50 asks me, am I your oldest patient? Am I too old for orthodontics? And I laugh and I tell them the story that every other 50, 60, 70-year-old asks that same question. So unless you're 80 years old, you're not going to be our oldest patient. We are very flexible with financing. There are no 1, 2, 3, 4, or even 5 payment options. It is a discussion. What can you afford? What can you budget for orthodontics? Because I don't want money to get in the way of what your smile could be and the benefits that you could get from orthodontic treatment and how those benefits will really follow you for your entire life. So your financial status or situation now is something that we work really hard to overcome. And the same is true with scheduling. Families are busy. I have 3 kids of my own. I'm a business owner. I'm an orthodontist. We have a lot going on. I know how important it is to be able to work in your appointments within the busyness of life. So we go above and beyond to be flexible with our patients. We offer after school and Saturday appointments, but even beyond that, we will be very flexible in our schedule. It would be so much easier for us to say we have a 2 o'clock and a 3 o'clock and that's it. But that doesn't work for most people, and we are so willing to work with our families.